Okay, going to do a quick video here that shows. Here, this is a dryer vent. Oh, they're using this as a dryer vent. I mean, it's a good solid model. Sometimes you get a screen underneath here, which there isn't in this case. But what you got inside of here, there's a damper, which opens and closes. Ductwork obviously comes through there. So the damper opens, kind of sits there, and then swings up and down. Now, what happens is lint starts to accumulate in this area here, and then the damper starts to get restricted. It can't move as much as it could. Really, you've got to get in there and clean it. You've got to put your hands in there, down to there, and scrape that out. And also, because you've got a damper in here, lint, because this relies on reflection, i.e. the air's coming here, it's bouncing off the damper and out. You want to try and get up in the top corner along the top there to get all the lint, because it all compacts and then the damper ends up sitting open. Not the best. I mean, the idea is good, but I don't know if it should be used for a dryer vent. Here we've got that dryer that we saw the vent upstairs and was explaining, so we're going to take this apart. We're still getting the burning smell. Some people ask about this. The back end you can't even see because I ain't got the flash on. Some people ask about this black burn marks on there. That's nothing to worry about. That's like when you put in man-made products and they like singe against it. But if you get lint behind here, that's like a problem. But this dryer we just cleaned out below the lint trap. There's a lot of stuff in there, so we're now going to take the whole thing apart and see what happens. So this dryer is in a really tight spot, you can see here. Behind there we do have quite a bit of lint on the floor. We've got a special type of flex hose that we put in a couple of years ago. So back there. Anyway, really tight spot, but it's an old house. So here we've taken the front panel off. There we can see a bit of burnt stuff in here. We're going to finish taking the rest of it apart and check it over. So here we've taken the front panel off this same dryer in a tight space. And you know, here from the outside you wouldn't think there's anything wrong, but look at this. It's all good. That's basically a dryer fire. I mean, lucky it's just burnt quickly, and that's what happens with lint, which is why you should have the right hose on the back, because if ever a dryer fire happens, this lint burns fast and furious, and you want the lint to burn out before the flames would spread through to the rest of the house. So, you know, clean your dryer vents. You know, if your clothes are taking longer to dry, you can just see that. You know, that's doesn't take much. But basically, what lint was in here is pretty much all burnt out, and the smell of lint was enough to alert this homeowner. The dryer itself is going to be fine. It just needs a clean up. The wiring all looks okay. So here we've got the dryer. We've cleaned everything up. All the wiring was good. It's just surface burn, and yeah, this dryer good as new. We removed all the lint, cleaned the vent, so at least the lint can get out, because that's what happens. Basically, if the vent's plugged, then the lint will start to accumulate inside the dryer, because the dryer is creating lint naturally as part of the drying process. And if it can't get it out, it's, you know, managing to find its way through. Nothing's airtight, so lint squeezes out. Yeah, and yeah, actually gets drawn back in to the actual dryer from the ductwork, and there you go.